Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Wilma Flintstones. So let's get started with the video. Not a lot of things that I wore today, but for the hair I chose this one in this color FF8847, and these adjustments X.52, Y.54, Z.5, and scaled it to 0.38. And I also use this updo in these colors. I didn't do any adjustments on that one. And then for the outfit, it's pretty simple. I used the ballet skirt, no VIP needed by the way, and then these shorts, and then this in full length and also white. And then for the necklace, we're just going to use this in the second toggle in matte for both toggles in matte, and that is it. It's as simple as that. I don't remember if she wears a pearl earring or not. Okay, no, she doesn't. You can't even see her ears. Okay, but that is it for this video. Oops, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.